Yo, what is up everybody, welcome back to my channel. And as you all know, Forza Horizon 5 has been released a few weeks ago and everybody is very hyped to play this game. But apparently there's a lot of glitches and bugs on PC when you're trying to launch the game or while you're just playing the game. So in today's video I'm going to explain you guys how you can fix those problems. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so before we start with this video, as you guys can see, only 0.4% of you guys is subscribed to my channel. Just go ahead and scroll down, make that red subscribe button gray, and while you're already there, just press that like button. I mean, like, come on, yeah, why not? Okay, so the first method how to fix any crashes is by disabling your antivirus software. I know this sounds weird, but I've heard from a lot of people that this is actually the issue that is causing the game to crash when launching or starting the game up. So how you can fix this is by going over onto your antivirus software. In my case, it's in the tray over here, and click on it, and as you can see, it's already disabled in my case, so I don't have to do anything. But you want to disable your antivirus software. In my case, I can just press settings and just disable it. So if you have any other antivirus software, just disable it and then go over onto your Windows settings. So press this Windows Start button, click this settings button, then search for security, and you want to go over onto virus and threat protection. And if this says your virus and threat protection is managed by an organization, you can just leave this, but make sure that your antivirus is disabled. But if you don't have any third-party antivirus, just make sure to disable the virus and threat protection and go ahead and check if your Forza works from now on. And if it doesn't, let's go into the next method. Okay, so another way to fix your Forza Horizon crashing is by changing your date and time. For a lot of people, this have been causing Forza to crash when your date or time is not set correctly. So you can set the time correctly by going over onto your Windows settings. So press the Windows Start button, click on settings, and search for date and time settings over here, and make sure that set time automatically is turned on and set time zone automatically is turned on as well. And once you've done that, just click sync now and make sure that your time and date is set correctly. And once you notice that your time is correctly, you should be good, and go ahead and check if your Forza launches right now. If it doesn't, once again, let's go into the next method. Okay, so another way to prevent Forza Horizon 5 from crashing is by updating your Xbox gaming services. You can do that by going over onto the Microsoft Store. You can open it up by searching for Microsoft Store in the search bar, then go ahead and click open, then go ahead and press on this downloads sim icon thing that is in the top right of your screen. If you don't have it, just go over onto download and updates, and you want to scroll down until you see gaming services. Now once you see this, you want to click on it. And now once you have opened this up, you want to go ahead and click on update if it says. If it doesn't say that, you can go over and head back over into download and updates and click get updates, so you can make sure that gaming services are being updated to its latest version possible. So once it's done updating, go ahead and reboot your PC and relaunch Forza Horizon 5 and see if it works. If it doesn't, you can go ahead and follow the next method. Okay, so this way to prevent your Forza Horizon 5 from crashing is actually updating your GPU drivers. Now this depends on what GPU driver you have. If you have NVIDIA, you want to go ahead and right click on your desktop and you will have NVIDIA control panel or NVIDIA experience, I'm not sure. Just open it up and make sure that you update it to its latest driver. And if you have AMD Radeon software, just like I do, go ahead and right click on your desktop and click AMD Radeon software. Okay, so once you open this up, you want to go ahead and head over into driver and software right over here and click on check for updates. And you want to make sure that this stays up to date. If it doesn't, go ahead and update into its latest driver, and once that's done updating, go ahead and retry your Forza Horizon 5, and if it still doesn't work, there's this last method, so let's get right into that method. Okay, so this is actually the last method. This is when absolutely nothing works, then you want to go ahead and try these methods. So what you want to do is you want to head over onto your Forza Horizon 5 settings, so search for Forza and then go ahead and click on app settings. Then you want to scroll down until you see the reset and repair button. Now before you do this, I'm going to warn you, if you press reset, this will reset your game, but as long as you have signed in into any account and you can re-sign in back to in the account, you won't lose anything. But if you don't know your password anymore or something like that, just don't press this reset button. You can press the repair button, but do not press the reset button if you're not sure what account you're using or anything like that. So just a quick disclaimer, I just wanted to say that so I don't get any hate from that. So once you're sure, you can go ahead and press the repair button and then press the reset button. So once you've done that and you launch the game and it still doesn't work, then you can do this absolute last trick, and that is actually reinstalling your Forza Horizon 5. I know this will sound dumb, but it fixes most of the issues. And yeah, if it still doesn't work after that, you might have to wait until they release a new update or something like that. But that was basically it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like and subscribe if this video was helpful. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.